I am making peanut butter eggs for Easter. All right, need 3 cups of white chocolate chips. Now let's see how many's in a bag, because I think a bag is not 3 cups. It is not. So a bag is 2 cups right there. And since I don't have any more, I am going to, so what you need is a bag and a half of white chips. And it's gonna be about another cup if I break it up. Maybe one more. Okay, so this is just white almond bark. I'm gonna put this all in the microwave and let it get melting. This recipe is based off of my 2-ingredient fudge recipe in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 2 something. Where'd it go? Page 315. Halfway through, you want to stir it so it doesn't burn. So I did about a minute. I don't know, a minute and 20 seconds. Okay. I'll let it microwave just a couple more minutes. Seconds, not minutes. All right, I'm gonna get this all melted. Lovely, lovely. And then we're going to put in our peanut butter. Now, this recipe is in the description below. Get that all melted. And then we have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is one of the, comment and let me know, guys, is this not one of the best inventions in the entire history of mankind? I am sure sweetened condensed milk fits that bill. At least our grandmothers and great-grandmothers, well, I guess great-grandmothers now, thought so. All right, now you can use peanut butter chips instead of white chocolate chips if you want. All right, we're gonna get this all mixed around and melted. Now, since we are forming these into eggs, if you want, you can just let it get set up in the bowl here. But I am making several different varieties today, so I'm going to put them in the pans to let them set up, just so I can keep using my handy dandy microwave bowl that I love. It's made for popcorn, but this baby is the best microwave bowl. I love it. I have a couple of chips that didn't get melted, so I'm gonna microwave this for about 30 seconds and let it get remelted, and then make sure it's all stirred up. Okay, so got it melted. There we go. I just had a couple of chips that didn't get quite melted. Here, that I picked out before I found those couple others. Ooh, oh, yum. Oh my goodness, this is so tasty. Okay, now we have our pan and we have our peanut butter fudge, and I am going to let this cool in the refrigerator. You can let it sit on the counter if you don't have room in your refrigerator, but I'm going to let it cool, and then we're going to form our eggs. It'll probably take about an hour. I am ready to do my peanut butter eggs. Now, if I had an egg cookie cutter, I would probably do that instead, but I don't have an egg cookie cutter, so we're just gonna go like this.
Oh my. Is that correct?
Is that correct?
Well, it looks like it didn't sit up.
Dave is wondering if this is correct. Yes, it's correct. I'm playing with food today. Shaping eggs.
Nice.
Would you like to shape eggs, Dave? No. Okay, I'm not gonna do all this right now. I have to get this video done. So I'm gonna throw these in the freezer and then I will dip them and show you what they look like. Okay, now for my chocolate. I have some left over. So I don't have any more melting chocolate. I thought I did, but I'm going to add my chocolate chips here and remelt this. Okay, I'm adding a spoonful of coconut oil just to thin it out. Okay, I've had them in the freezer. Got one little piece of chocolate just doesn't want to melt. It's all right, we'll just leave it on the side. Okay, so now I'm gonna stick these in my chocolate. Okay, now we're gonna let these harden while we dip our chocolate ones. Peanut butter. Just a few chips. And I'm going to add just a titch of coconut oil just to make it thinner. Now my bowl was really hot, even though I only did 30 seconds because I had so little in here. So I'm just letting the residual heat melt the rest so I don't burn it. Now, first of all, I'm gonna clean these up. Just make them a little bit neater. Oops. Okay. There you go. And drizzling, drizzling, drizzling. There. Semi-sweet.
Oh, yum.
This is not for Mike. peanut butter.
Ew. Jack would love it though.